Job analysis. A job analysis is the process of gathering and analyzing information about the content and the human requirements of the job. So, as well as the context in which jobs are performed, this process is used to determine placements of the jobs. Job analysis defines the organization of jobs within a job family. It allows units to identify paths of job progressions for employees interested in improving their opportunities for career advancement and increasing compensation. So, in other words, job analysis is used to determine placements of the job. So, it allows human resource managers to identify the path of the job progressions for employers looking to advance their career and compensation. To be clear, job analysis targets the job and not the person. So, data for the job analysis is collected from the job holders through the interviews or questionnaires, but the results of the job analysis is description of the job and not a description of the job holder. So definition of the job analysis is according to Michael Juices, job analysis refers to the process of studying the operations, duties, and organizational aspects of the job in order to drive specification, or as they are called by some, job descriptions. So according to Blum, a job analysis is an accurate study of the various components of a job. So it is concerned not only with an analysis of the duties and conditions of work, but also with the individual qualifications of the worker. So job analysis consists of the job description and the job specifications. So job description is a document which states an overview of the duties, responsibilities, and functions of the specific job in an organization. And job specification is a statement of the qualifications, personality traits, skills, etc. So required by an individual to perform that job. So in job description, the document will be consider the points like job title, job location, job summary, reporting to working conditions, job duties, machines to be used, hazards. And in job specification, qualifications, experiences, training of the employee, skills of the employee, responsibilities to be performed in the job, emotional characteristics, sensory demands. So these are the things. While framing the job analysis, we will consider this thing: job description and job specifications. Process of job analysis. A job analysis is the process of identifying and determining the detail, the particular job duties and requirements, and the importance of these duties for a given job. So it helps an organization determine which employee is best for a specific job. So in other words, job analysis is used to determine placements of the job. So process of job analysis consider the following points: organizational analysis, select representative positions, collect the data, review collected data, developing a job descriptions, and developing a job specifications. So organizational analysis, the first step in the job analysis process is to determine its purpose. So this will help determine what kind of data to collect and how to collect it. The necessary background information for this step can be collected by using organization charts, process charts, and job descriptions. Next step is select a representative position. So it will be time consuming and costly to analyze all the jobs in an organization. So it is essential to select and representative sample of jobs for detailed job analysis. Third step is collect data. So the next step is to collect data, collect job related data such as educational information, duties, responsibilities, working conditions, employee behavior, skills, and abilities. So data is collected by using methods such as observation, interviews, questionnaires, and checklist method is there. So various methods are there to just to collect the data of the employees. Review collected data. So a job analysis report is prepared by using the gathered data. So the information is then verified with the worker performing the job and the supervisor. So developing a job description. after consideration, after collecting all the data, we will frame the job description. So the information collected is used to develop a written statement known as a job description. The job description is a document that describes all the responsibilities, working conditions, locations, risk, and tasks which are going to be performed by the employee for the effective job performance. And last is developing a job specification. So job specification, the final step in the process is to develop a job specification. So job specification and job descriptions are two tangible products of the job analysis process. So job specification is a statement of personal traits, educational qualifications, experience, background, and skills needed to perform a job. So this is the whole process of the job analysis.